Yeah, good afternoon, guys. This is Easy Earning FX. So, I want to continue on the awesome oscillator strategy. Awesome oscillator strategy in combination with the parabolic entries or as confirmations, additional confirmations with the parabolic signal. I won't take much of your time. So, you can be using this as your main strategy if you are yet to have one, or it can complement your entries or things to look out for while you are already in the trade. Awesome oscillator. Awesome oscillator. Please, your feedback will be highly appreciative when you watch the video and you find it or you gain one or two things from it. Don't forget to like it, make a comment, and help subscribe to the channel, or reach out to me if you have anything to say via the Telegram link. So let me continue with the strategy from where I stopped in the introduction. So what are we looking out for here? I said most people use the awesome oscillator in these ways. One, immediately it crosses over the zero line, they join the trade. It can be fake due to the direction of the higher time frame, except the market is coming from the direction of the overbought or oversold zones. Or immediately they see that it changes from red to green, that is from buy to sell, they take the trade. Your losses can be higher than your profit if you are using it like that. So how do I use it, or how do I complement it with my parabolic strategy, which is the focus of this video in the next 2 minutes. So what do you do? What do you do? I think the market is coming from oversold zone now. This is a step index. So I'll be picking the assets one after the other to show you that it really works. So where is our direction on 1 hour time frame? Our 1 hour time frame is still on sell, but it is going what? It is pulling back to a buy direction. But looking at this particular entry, this particular current market event, what do we have? We are having a buy signal on 5 minutes time frame. That is, we are combining 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame. You are scalping. This is a good market to take. Looking at the fractal here, the last fractal here, but let me focus on the awesome oscillator. On the awesome oscillator, you can see that the awesome oscillator is above my zero line. Is above the zero line. Please just catch the message. Catch the message. Is above the zero line. So this is what I'm looking out for the market to pull back, then continue in that same direction, giving me a V-shape format. V-shape, you can see that V-shape, V-shape. So where did we have the continuation? You can see the first green, the second green, on which particular, on this particular candlestick, this red candlestick. And you can see that it is that exact understand candlestick that the fractal came out. This particular red, that the fractal came out. So what do? You join that particular trade. You can see that even before the parabolics are continuing in that direction, it moves for almost 20 minutes. So I'm going to do a video separately on that using the fractal and the parabolic side. But let us focus on the awesome oscillator for now. So the market moves for what? Almost 20 minutes coming from the oversold zone. You can see that, and it went up. So this particular strategy can help you to stay in this market for 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on how far you want to stay and what your target is. Then we have an interruption here, a red again. And what happened? The market continues. You can see on this particular green candlestick, the market continues. So when you are in a trade, you are in an uptrend, for example, in a buy trade, and the market already crosses over the zero line of the awesome oscillator, there's a pullback. What you are looking out for is the continuation, and you can as well use it to take re-entries. When you see the first green, you can take it when it is stable, or you wait for the second stroke to join the market. So what happened in the previous event? Do we have same thing? Can you see? You'll be seeing it frequently, but that is what it stands for. It stands for what? Market continuation. So here you see that this market is on sale here. This particular market is on sale. Let us look at that together. Is on sale. You can see that the continuation there. So you can see that the market is on sale. Parabolic is on sale on 1 hour time frame. You can see the red line now is on sale. So that is how it works. And you can see that the fractal pump out on this particular red candlestick. So if you join that trade even before the parabolics are continuing in that direction, the market moves for almost 15 minutes. It moves for 15 minutes. You can see that. And when the parabolic pump out, the market still went down. So that's a strategy for the parabolic and the fractal. But this awesome oscillator tells you that the market is going to continue in that direction. Once you see that V shape, look for an entry and join the market. Pick whatever you want to pick. Look at it here. The V shape. So you can see more than 5 of this in a day. So this is how I pick my 10 to 20% profit every day. You can see that. You can see how it happens. And what again can you do? You can only pick, you might want to be picking this particular V shape only when you have the parabolic arc continues without any interruption, like what happened here. We already have the parabolic and it happened here. So you join for this one too. So you join it like that once you see the next trade. But once you see that your market is already at oversold zone, 80, 90, 10, 20 zones, using your stochastic or your RSI, then you can wait for a pullback before you do that again. Look at this now again. The V shape. Look at it. This is it here. The V shape. So you can just look out for one or two of that in a day, while the market is on uptrend or a downtrend, and you pick whatever you want to pick. So it means continuation in that particular trend. And the fractals you are looking at here is also telling me much about the trade. I'm going to come to explain, and I use it to you to pick 15 to 20 minutes candle on 5 minutes time frame. So look at the continuation of the awesome oscillator. Look at it. So you can be using it to complement your trade, your entrance. So look at it. It is the same thing on all the assets. It is the same thing. The market will pull back, but it will not cross over the zero line. And what do you do? Once you see the opposite candlestick, which continues in that direction, depending on the color that you use to set it, then you pick your entry. That is how it works. You can see. You will see more than 5 of that in a day. 5 of more. So all you need is just 1 or 2. to have your 10% of your equity every day. Every day. So that is how it works. So let's go to like on the on the 17 and see what it happens there. You can see that we have sell signal, the V shape. Can you see it? The V shape. It will come down. It will come down. So once you see it like that, pick your entries and you use the Bollinger Band you are seeing on the screen as your exit. The rules still stand. You can check the previous videos. Once you take your entry and the market pulls back, closes outside the third Bollinger Band line, then you close that particular trade. Take your partial loss and leave. Don't stay there. So the real still stands sure. It still stands sure. The parabolic and the awesome oscillator. And the awesome oscillator. And the awesome oscillator. Can you see it now? So once your market is coming from oversold, overbought zone, and it cross over the zero line, look out for the first V shape. Then you join that particular trade. You will always have 15 to 20 minutes candlestick like that every day. Every day. Then so that is how it works. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, reach out to me. You drop the question on the comments. I'm going to reply you, or you reach out to me via the Telegram link. So thank you for watching.